guys, this is Bosslady Shruti, and can I just start off by saying how hot Bombay has gotten? Like the heat and humidity is just next freaking level. I am usually the kind of person who enjoys summers. Like I actually would prefer hot weather over like cold weather, but even someone like me, I am dying in this heat, and so is my hair. My hair is absolutely frizzy, and so I have very sort of thick, coarse South Indian dark hair, and something that I struggle with, and I mean struggle massively with, is frizziness in my hair. And with humidity at its peak during the summers, I feel like this is when my hair goes through so much emotional atyachar that I am constantly looking for that one solution which is going to help me with my frizz. And to be really honest, I have tried quite a lot of like hair serums and all of that in the market, but the one thing that I always, and I mean no matter what, I come back to is the Loreal Paris Extraordinary Oil Serum. This is probably my third bottle that I have. You can clearly see that this is, the third bottle that I'm using of this product. So this is absolutely a must-have of mine for my kind of hair, and I believe now they have changed the packaging up a little bit, and they have actually bettered their formula. I honestly don't know how they could better a formula which was already so amazing. But the new L'Oreal Paris Extraordinary Oil Serum is 16% lighter and is made up of 6 rare flower oils. So it kind of gets infused into your hair a lot faster. It also gives 24 hours shine, softness, and protects hair from humidity, UV, and pollution. And this has a really beautiful, like sort of non-sticky texture, which is what I feel makes my hair feel so much stronger even after the end of the day. So honestly, the reason why I love this serum is because I use it in so many different ways. For me, it is like a multi-purpose serum, so I honestly travel with it also wherever I go. The first way that I like using it is I will apply some of this onto my ends before I go to sleep. This really helps with dry ends, split ends, and damage. I feel like since the time I started giving my ends a little more love and attention, my hair definitely does look a lot better. I know that we all tend to always give more importance to our scalp, but we always forget our ends. But ever since I religiously started, protecting my ends with this in the night, I've seen such a huge difference. Also, I like adding a few pumps of this after I have shampooed and conditioned my hair when my hair is damp. It kind of detangles my hair and helps with overall frizz. Another great way that I like using this serum is as a heat protectant. This is something that I have tried and tested over the years, and this is also the biggest reason why I love using this. Before I kind of heat style my hair, blow dry it, curl it, or anything of that sort, I will take a couple of pumps of this and generously run it through the lengths of my hair. This actually protects your hair from heat damage, which for someone like me who does tend to style her hair pretty often, almost on a everyday basis, this is an absolute savior, because varna to mere baal bachte nahi. I actually like traveling with this in my bag as well, especially if I've taken a rickshaw on that day. I feel like this is a must, because my hair tends to, fly away sitting in the rickshaw, and when I need my hair to look kind of more settled, I will just take a couple of pumps of this and run it along my hair, and it instantly gives me smooth hair. Also, when I want to do like slick back hairstyles, I'll take some serum and kind of apply it so that it gives me that sleek sort of look, which is honestly my favorite clean girl look to go for in the summers. You can clearly see the before and after. Here I will place a before and after. This has made such a huge difference in my hair. For me, I feel like the best part about this serum is the fact that it comes with this pump. So there's no spillage or anything of that sort. I feel a adequate amount of the product is dispensed, which is what I love. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys have any other hacks that I can try for my frizzy hair, because honestly your girl is down to trying all frizzy hair hacks. So yeah, let me know, and I will leave a link to the serum in the description box. Definitely check it out. It is priced at $6.49 for 100 ml of product, which I feel is a good price for something that has so many uses. Also, I really like the smell of this. It's so like इसकी खुशबू ना बड़ी भीनी भीनी सी है. So it's not too strong, it's not overpowering, but it's the kind of, you know, smell that you would like your hair to smell like at the end of the day. Honestly guys, I know that this is a sponsored video, but that was also the reason why I wanted to show you guys my emptied bottles, because I wanted to tell you that I've genuinely enjoyed using this serum and it has helped my hair so much in the past 2 years, because honestly I've not used any other serum other than this continuously for such a long time. So definitely check this out, and I think that you will not be disappointed. So yes, I guess that is it. Subscribe to my channel if you already haven't, and hit that notification bell to be notified every time Mwah makes a video. And like I always say, keep it bossy. Mwah.